So next one, using Cauchy's residue theorem, integrate integral over c z minus 23 by z square minus 4z minus 5 dz, where c is modulus of z minus 3 minus I is equal to 3.5. So first of all, z square minus 4z minus 5 is 0. So factorizing, we get z minus 5 into z plus 1. So z is 5 and minus 1. These are the poles. Next, find whether these points lies inside C. Okay. So if z is 5, it is minus modulus of 5 minus 3 minus I. It is 2 minus I. Modulus of 2 minus I. What is the modulus of a complex number x plus iy? It is root of x square plus y square. So here root of 2 square plus 1 square, that is root 5. Root 5 is 2.7, okay, etc. Anyway, it is less than 3.5. So z is equal to 5 lies inside C. So then z minus 1. If you put z minus 1, it is modulus of minus 1 minus 3 minus I. So minus 4 minus I. It is root 4 square 16 plus 1 17, root 17. Root 17 is greater than 4. So strictly it is greater than 3.5. So z is equal to minus 1 lies outside C. So we need to find the residue at z is equal to 5 only, because this point is outside. Okay. So next, find the residue at z is equal to 5. Limit z tends to 5, z minus 5 into the function. That is z minus 5 into the denominator, z minus 5 into z plus 1, z minus 5 cancels. So put z 5, so minus 18 by 5 plus 1, 6. It is minus 3. So minus 3 is the residue. And what's the integral? Integral is 2 pi I into minus, it is minus 3. So answer is minus 6 pi I. Okay, so the answer is minus 6 pi I. Again, next one, integral over c z sec z dz, where c is mod z is equal to 3 by 2. Here also denominator 1 minus z the whole square. Put the denominator 1 minus z the whole square 0. So z will be 1 repeating 2 times whole square. So repeating 2 times. And what about this point z1? Substitute in the circle. Modulus of 1 is less than 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 is 1.5. So z1 lying inside C. Then there is sec z in the numerator. Okay, so sec z can be 0. Sec z can be infinity, or sec z in the denominator it becomes 1 by sec z. That can be 0. That is cos z can be 0. What is cos z 0? Z is pi by 2, minus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, etc. Odd multiple of pi by 2 എല്ലാം 0 വരും. So if z pi by 2 കൊടുത്താൽ mod pi by 2 എത്രയാണ്? Pi is 3.14. It is greater than 3 by 2. Outside ആണ് അല്ലേ? അപ്പം if pi by 2 is outside, then 3 pi by 2 will be outside, 5 pi by 2, etc. These all points will be outside C. So only pole is which is lying inside us, z is equal to 1. So find the residue at z is equal to 1. It is 1 by 1 factorial, limit z tends to 1. Find the derivative, first derivative, because it is 2 times repeating pole. So d by d z of z minus 1 the whole square into z sec z by 1 minus z the whole square. Z minus 1 the whole square is same as 1 minus z the whole square. So z1 കൊടുത്താൽ then find the derivative, product rule. Z into sec z derivative is z into derivative of sec z tan z plus sec z into 1. Then put z is 1. So it is sec 1 tan 1 into plus sec 1. That is sec 1 into tan 1 plus 1. So what's the integral value? It is 2 pi I into that value. Okay.